This video will help you to get rid of malicious pop-ups that come from this site, Rainfraest.online. This is a malicious website that attempts to infect your browser with the feature of excessive and uncontrolled push notifications. It actually says that you need to tap the Allow button to continue your browsing or to close this page. Some people may be very annoyed by the occurrence of these pop-ups, and they might think that clicking the Allow button will help you to get rid of these alerts. However, when the Allow button is mistakenly clicked, even more problems may happen. The browser actually may be hijacked and you may be forwarded to some other strange resources. For instance, the pages that promote some malicious software like adware or browser hijackers, and so on. If you have mistakenly clicked on the Allow button, you need to fix the issue as soon as possible. Go to the menu, click on Settings, then scroll down to the Privacy and Security area and select Site Settings, and now click on Notifications. Pay very careful attention to the Allow area, and you might find some of these dangerous sites here in the bottom of the list. Click on this button and remove these suspicious sites from the list. I would also recommend double-checking your Mac with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application through this resource. Then, after the software is installed, you need to wait a little bit until the antivirus database is updated, and then click on Start Combo Scan to initiate the analysis of your Mac right away. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan, some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.